Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, after Bitcoin's rally here in the last few days, it is now consolidating sideways. This is starting to look like a healthy wave 4. As long as this support area is holding, which is the support area for the fourth wave, I do expect still higher prices for Bitcoin in the short term. The support area is between 18,830 and 20,150. I'm revising my view a little bit because the sideways action makes it likely that this is actually an Elliott Wave triangle. I already had it on the chart in the last video, kept the channel members updated on Telegram and Discord with the lower level wave counts, that this could be here just an A, B, C, the wave D might be in, and the E wave. That's obviously speculative. Until we see the breakout, we don't really know if this is the wave E. You always only know afterwards, but we can be prepared to possibly see a rally to the upside here. However, only if we see a breakout above the D wave high of 21,052, we can be quite certain that here a rally in the fifth wave has started. Basically then, the wave 4 would be finished at the end of the E wave. And then we should get this wave 5 to the upside. So one more wave up at least expected here. And I'm going to go with a triangle view now because we see this sideways action, and when you see a triangle like that, in this case a contracting triangle, it would suggest that we do not go into this wave 4 support area. That is the support area that you would find likely for a normal ABC or WXY structure. But as long as we have sideways movement and as long as we are holding the low of the C wave, which is at 20,550, yeah, as long as that is holding, I would go with the idea that from here we have a chance to directly break to the upside. If, however, we drop below that 20,550 level, or let's be very accurate, but again, there are small differences between exchanges. To be very accurate, it is the 20,560 level. Dropping below that level would unlock then the prices to drop further into this support area for the wave 4, and then we would just have highlighted here in white an A. You don't see it very well. It's actually down. Yeah, it's down here with the yellow wave A. So the white wave A, there it is. A wave, B wave, and then we are now in the C wave and finished already a wave 1 down. Then this was probably here the wave 2 or here. That's at the moment a little bit unclear, and we could already be in the third wave to the downside. But the sideways action makes this less likely at the moment. So I'm observing currently this triangle. I'm looking for the potential that we break here directly to the upside. And if we see that, I would assume that we are starting the fifth wave. So the wave 4 could already end here, basically just now, which I'm not telling you that's definitely the case, but here all the minimum requirements for this Elliott Wave triangle are complete. And if we now see a break above the D wave high at 21,055, then this is the first indication that that is breaking to the upside, and a confirmation. You will get a confirmation above the B wave high at 21,202. So that's sort of where we are, and we can go with the triangle count as long as we don't break, as I said, below this C wave low. If we break below the C wave, then the white count is in control, and we're coming down in 5 waves deeper into this area. And yeah, I already told you all the support areas that are relevant here. We are currently holding above the 200-day moving average. So previous resistance is now acting as support. Now I have to be very honest and tell you that we haven't really seen a lot of resistance at the 200-day moving average, but it is still an important trend filter and quite a relevant one, as we are now above a moving average that we haven't been above since December 2021. And that's basically where we are. So we are moving here closer together in the triangle. At some point we will get an impulsive breakout. We already tried. That was the D wave high. And be ready here possibly for a move to the upside, as long as at least the C wave low stays intact. If not, we drop deeper into the green area. Also not an issue. If we do that, we need to hold the lower support of 18,820 pretty much. And if we drop below that, then a more substantial high has been made, and it might become a short trade setup. But at the moment we have here still a short-term long trade setup, which doesn't suggest you should take it. You have to decide that for yourself. But yeah, that's sort of where we are at the moment with Bitcoin. And then the question is then, after this wave to the upside here, this fifth wave, this could either complete a higher degree corrective wave pattern in an A, B, C structure, yeah, with that additional high. And then we could break down, make a new low. But if key support levels are holding, and I'm going to tell you which support level it will be, but I can't tell you that yet because we don't have the high. We haven't made that fifth wave to the upside. If we hold a higher low and push up in another higher high, that is a first really strong indication, that the bear market low has already been made, that we will not drop below the November lows anymore. But we're not there yet. Okay, and that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.